Hey Catherine, so how was the presentation?
Excellent. Very informative, very helpful, very detailed. A beginner can understand it, and I think that it's definitely one of the best investments of your time that you could probably make this year.
Wow, Catherine, thank you so much.
I'm definitely going to save your number. I'll be in contact with you for
Okay.
sure. It's a lot of information. I'm definitely going to take in, digest, come up with like more questions or things like that. And I'll definitely be in contact with you. I really appreciate you taking the time to meet with me individually, and I'm grateful to have met you. Thank you for your time and your information. It's really been tremendous.
Thank you so much.
Elucidates a lot of otherwise confusing topics, but I think you did a really good job at presenting how these two things are related to each other and how someone can use it to benefit themselves and the buyer. So it was really helpful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.